Hello everyone, it's been a few months since I put a video. I've been working a lot and working on the car a lot. Some of you might be disappointed or surprised at a decision I made a little bit ago, but I decided to take the turbo out of the car. After blowing up 2 turbos and deciding to spend a little more on another turbo, and I started blowing up the rear seals on it and 2 wastegates. I decided to take the turbo out of the car. The only tuner around here moved 2 or 3 months ago out of the area to another state, so I didn't have nobody to really work on the tune. So I decided to replace the turbo with a Vortech V2 Supercharger that I had laying around from my other V6 Mustang I had a few years ago. Funny thing about it is, after I did that, I did find a tuner almost down in West Palm Beach, somewhere down there. So shy of 200 miles from where I live, so this is the setup I have now. It's about the same size intercooler as far as the overall front area, but it's 4 inches thick instead of 2 1/4, so it has more volume. This is a Vortech V2. I just rebuilt it last week. After I installed it, it was leaking. And of course, the seal that was leaking was the one all the way to the back. You had to take everything apart to get that one out. So I just rebuilt everything, new bearings, new seals, new everything. The rest of the setup pretty much the same. The 60-pound injectors, the Pro-M mass airflow meter. I have a Walbro pump, a drop-in Walbro pump from Mustangs. The Volvo electric power steering pump, I just relocated it from about there to here, and relocated the radiator reserve from somewhere around here to there, I think. Well, anyway, this is what I have now. So currently the tuner set me up with a tune. It doesn't let the car rep too high. It's only like 5,100 RPM right now, until I can get it down there, get a dyno tune. But at 5,100 RPM only, with the pulley I have on this, it's running 8 pounds of boost at only 5,100 RPMs. So it's not bad. This is a diverter valve from Volkswagen, but it's aftermarket, so you got springs that you can change to set up the pressure, and then it recirculates back to the supercharger to the back of it. Besides that, these are the pieces from the turbo setup: driver side manifold, modified manifold, the downpipe, and the side exhaust pipe. And I have the piece that goes into the turbo to mount the turbo and the wastegate. So I was thinking about giving this away. The only thing is missing is the connecting pipe from the passenger side to the driver's side. You could fabricate that literally with 2 90-degree angles from Advanced Auto Parts or something, and using the factory pipes that come out of the factory manifolds. If you cut them right there, you can weld those 2 90-degree pipes. You might have to cut a little bit, but it's literally the perfect size for this. It's just I had to use it to set up my dual exhaust back on the Mustang, since I went back to the supercharger. So I'm in Florida, near the Daytona Beach area. If somebody want to get this stuff, literally for free. The only problem you're going to have is you're going to have to find somebody to tune the vehicle after you set this whole thing up. But anyway, that's the news. Vortech V2 intercooled setup. instead of the turbo system that I made before. Let me know what you guys think, and peace.